How do you love yourself? Step-by-step instructions. Try to watch the sensations now by doing 3 things. 1. Look at your fingerprints. Study them very carefully. Notice their difference. 2. To have something green around you. What is it? How different is this green? What happens while searching for green? 3. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds suddenly. What are the sources of sounds? What are they like? Not for thoughts about actions, but for feelings. How does the body react? It is also necessary to learn to live every moment in your life. Every feeling is under the attention. The most valuable thing a person has is this attention. The only thing a person has is a feeling. Love can still be compared to a direct perception of an ever-changing reality for what it is. As soon as there is at least the slightest resistance to reality, you just spend your energy on resistance and can't perceive what you have. You can't notice love in everything you have. And when you don't notice suffering about yourself or another person, it seems to you that you don't love yourself, and you can't love other people. Note love. She's everywhere. She's in you. She is there, are you?